Namaste dear all, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. So today I'm just again back with a special topic. We are taking up Pancha Suprabhata Shlokas, a fantastic five number of shlokas extract from traditional learnings. These are very replete with fantastic meanings, fantastic shlokas. Usually, the Suprabhata shlokas are rendered in early morning to calm down our mind and as a neology to the addressed Devi Devatas, and lot of benefits follow suit by chanting Suprabhata every day. The various deities and various Suprabhatam addressed to various deities again. So these five shlokas consist of fantastic Suprabhatams addressed to various Devi Devatas, Navagrahas, Rishis, Saptarshis, and the Panchabhutas, etc. So Sapta Arnava, Sapta Kulachala, Sapta Dvipa, like that. Fantastic number of shlokas. These are all extracts from traditional learnings. So I will give all the lyrics on the YouTube screen. I am going to recite all these shlokas and then I will be giving the lyrics on the YouTube screen. Those who don't know, as usual, can take a snapshot and mug up and share my videos also so that others also can learn and enjoy. So those who already know, well and good. These are quite rare shlokas. Not many would be knowing and many are also possibly knowing. Anyway, this is for the benefit of those who don't know. Fantastic shlokas are there. In the next upcoming video, I will take up the verbatim meanings also. Or for verbatim meanings, people can call me on 8762331815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. So I am going to recite this fantastic shlokas now. Pancha Suprabhata shlokas. Fantastic, very rare. So here I go. Brahma Murare Tripurantakari Bhano Shashi Bhumi Suto Bhudascha Guruscha Shukra Shani Rahu Ketavah Kurvantu Sarve Mamasu Prabhatam. This is the first shloka. So moving on, the second shloka. Bhrugur Vasishta Kraturangirascha Manu Pulastya Pulahascha Gautamah. Bhrugur Vasishta Kraturangirascha Manu Pulastya Pulahascha Gautamah. Raibhyo Marichishcha Vanascha Dakshah Kurvantu Sarve Mamasu Prabhatam. This first shloka, it is addressing Brahma Murari Tripurantakari means Brahma Vishnu Maheshwara, and then the Navagrahas, first shloka. Second shloka, it is addressing set of 12 rishis, ancient rishis. So set of 12 rishis are mentioned there. Bhrugur Vasishta Kradurangirascha Manu Pulastya Kratuhu. Sorry, Manu Pulastya Pulahascha Gautamah Raibhyo Marichishcha Vanascha Dakshah Kurvantu Sarve Mamasu Prabhatam. Fantastic shlokas. So moving on. Next it is addressing Sanat Kumaras, the four very famous Vishnu devotees, and then Saptaswara and Sapta Rasatala. So the shloka goes like this. Third shloka. Sanat Kumara Sanakas Sanandanah Sanatanopyasuri Pingalaucha Saptaswara Saptarasatalani Kurvantu Sarve Mamasu Prabhatam. So this is the third shloka of the Pancha Suprabhatams. So moving on to the fourth shloka. Saptarnava Saptakulachalascha Saptarshayo Dvipavanani Sapta Bhuradi Krutva Bhuvanani Sapta Kurvantu Sarve Mamasu Prabhatam. So it is saying about the set of 7 sages, 7 sacred mountains, 7 sacred oceans, and then 7 sacred rishis, and then Sapta Dvipas, 7 sacred islands, and then the Bhuloka, Bhurloka, Suvarloka, Mahalloka, Janovloka, Tapaloka, the Sapta Lokas, Bhuradi Krutva, Bhuvanani, Sapta. So 7 lokas are there, the upper lokas, the 7 lokas, the other lokas. So this is about that fourth shloka. Fifth shloka, moving on. Fifth shloka will be the Panchabhuta, addressing the Panchabhutas. The Panchabhuta shloka. So that goes like this. Prithvi sagandha sarasastatthapah स्पर्शी च वायुज्ज्वलनं च तेजः पृथ्वी सगन्धा सरसास्तथापः स्पर्शी च वायुज्ज्वलनं च तेजः नभस्य शब्दं महसा सहैव नभस्य शब्दं महसा सहैव कुर्वन्तु सर्वे मम सुप्रभातम्. So Prithvi, Up, Vayu, Akasha, Agni, these are the 5 basic elements which consist of this universe. Entire universe is made of these 5 basic elements. So about this, addressing these 5 basic elements, a Suprabhatam shloka is composed. Fantastic shloka, I will repeat again. Prithvi sagandha sarasastatthapah स्पर्शी च वायुज्ज्वलनं च तेजः नभस्य शब्दं महसा सहैव कुर्वन्तु सर्वे मम सुप्रभातम्. So fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So all the 5 shlokas, the Pancha Suprabhatam shlokas are given, the lyrics on the YouTube screen. Those interested to know the verbatim meanings, please call me direct on 876233115. And the upcoming videos also I am making several such stotras again. So we'll meet again in my upcoming videos. Until then, bye for now. This is Suhas Devi signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Jayanagar, Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 876233115. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Thank you. Hari Om Shakti. Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.